Hello. I got these HEPA filtrate vacuum bags for a Hoover, but I do not have a Hoover vacuum. But I recently bought one off eBay for I won it only better. I won it for $15, and shipping was like $20. So yeah, bags, and it says 3 bags per pack, but it comes with the belt, the vacuum, and I'll take them out for you. Come on, not hard to do with one hand. These bags are hot. And it's raining outside. So I got 1 bag, 2 bags, and 3 bags. All from HEPA. Yep. So yeah, these bags are somewhat decent bags. They're big enough. So yeah, when I get my Hoover Futura blue vac, looks almost like a Hoover Elite. So when I get that, then I'll make an unboxing of the Hoover Futura. And here are the models that can fit the bags, and it says Futura on with the other models. It takes type A vacuum bags. A person told me. So yeah, when I get the vacuum, I make an unboxing of it. Right there it says top. And I'm not gonna read this crap to you. Alright, so yeah, keep your eyes out for an unboxing of a Hoover Futura vac. I thought I hadn't made a video in a while. I've just been way too busy. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys soon.